Good morning. I'm having an omelette, bacon and pork sausages, and a little bowl. They didn't bring me utensils, so I don't know if they expect me to pick up this thing, the omelette like this, and eat like a burrito. I don't know what the expectation is. I'm on vacation again. No, I'm gonna. I don't know. Guys, yesterday I tried to order utensils and like a plate and stuff because I had gotten Nando's and they never fucking came. The service here is insane. Guys, also I think Bagel is downstairs. Let's see how long they take to bring me utensils. Oh. Come on. Hello. Hi, I'm trying to dial the room service. I'm struggling to. Thank you. Yeah, the hotel is full of police and stuff. I don't know, maybe they're having a meeting here or something. I don't know. I think I saw someone that looked like him, but guys, all South African men kind of look the same. Hello, can I please get utensils to my room? Can I please get utensils to my room? 1054. Like, I actually don't have the patience. Now I forgot the number. What was the number, guys? 1054. You know what? I'm gonna eat this omelette. It was now. Did she tell me? It says it's invalid. I don't have the energy for any of this. Hello? 1059. Okay, 1059. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, she did give me an invalid one. The right one is 1059. Hi, can I please get some utensils to my room? Yes, please. 9. I haven't even bathed. Portuguese shower. Already putting on perfume. Okay. Sorry, I had to end the live because they were asking for my room number. Let's try the juice. I got cranberry juice. You can't bring me at last, like I don't deserve a glass. There's glasses in the bathroom, but I can't get my juice in a glass. I feel like I can always taste the brand of juice. Well, you know what? I feel like I can taste Woolies juice. That crushed juice. I love that cranberry crushed juice. Oh my god, that thing is so good. And then everything else is in a category together. Like everything else is a non-factor. Maybe they didn't want to spill. Valid. They have that rolling tray, but it's okay. Cranberry juice. I used to think that before I started like drinking alcohol properly. Like, I feel like ever since I actually indulge in alcohol, like, it just don't taste like alcohol. But just like it wants to be. Do you guys like cantaloupe? Kind of what do we call it here in SA? Brain rot is so bad. I know what the Americans call it, but I don't know what we call it. Cantaloupe. Or do we also call it cantaloupe? That like orange fruit that has no... Yes, liquid fruit cranberry cooler. Cranberry cooler got my heart. It's just fruits all. I can't name them all. I don't know what fruit this is. It's not a kiwi. And then I have an omelette. The omelette has peppers, onions, cheese, bacon, and I have bacon and sausages. It's a melon. Let's look through this magazine. I want to go somewhere like this. Like Maldives and somewhere real international. Like Neisner looks like this. Like if y'all want to go somewhere like that and not drop a bag, literally go to Neisner. Go to George, book in Neisner. It's so beautiful. It's just like very small towny. So if you're like a big city gal, don't go there with high expectations, okay? Just go there for an experience, okay? Yeah. I do wear glasses. I'm always squinting. God damn it. I pray pregnancy on you. You will receive the news in a month. Fuck you. Fuck you. Get off my live. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Fire! In the merciful name of Jesus. Grim black. Oh, that's a person's ad. Dude! Fire. Sissy, is 22 and 19 a bad age gap? No, I think that's fine. I think that's fine. I really think that's okay. What does everyone else think? Is 19 and 22 a bad age gap? No, girl, this is my real hair. I'm Puerto Rican. This is my real hair. I ain't got no sewing. 19 and 28 is so bad, guys. 19 and 22. 19 and 28, please lock the 28-year-old up immediately. Put that man in jail. Call the police. 19 and 22, I think that's chill. I think that's chill. That's like what, 3 years? It's only fine though because you're 19. Like, it would be shaky waters, but still, I don't know. I heard someone say that age gap doesn't matter, ages matter. Because like if a 30-year-old woman is dating a 50-year-old man, kikana guys, none of my business, you're a grown woman. But like that same age gap and the person's 21 and you're 40. Whoa. Let me put my glasses on. I'm actually struggling. Guys, you see how long they're taking to bring utensils? And why didn't you bring it with my food? Guys, earlier on when I went downstairs, I want to marry you, I'm 37. No, thank you, sir. I actually have a very serious partner in my life. Amen! Jail is just a room, a very depressing room. I don't work out, guys. It's actually just genetics. But I do have back rolls. And no, actually, I'm lying. That was a full face lie. That is my body dysmorphia coming through. I'm so sorry for saying that. I don't work out like that, like for real. Like, I go to the gym with my boyfriend like every once in a blue moon. The last time I went with him, I didn't even work out. I literally just went there to use their Dysons. Yeah, uni is a loophole to this age thing. Guys, involve me. What are we talking about? Get it jeans, babe. Get it jeans. I'm stealing that. Get it jeans. Dove. Guys, because we said so podcast, can we actually talk about those ladies? I was actually thinking about this morning when I was on the toilet, like, it's here. I'm live. Yeah, you will be live. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Guys, my sister's here.
I mean,
300.
got him! Oh.
Age is just a number when it comes to maturity. No, my babes. No.
I'm 17 today.
It's our birthday. It's our birthday. It's our birthday.
My birthday.
Yo. 17. How did you eat your omelet without a fork and knife? You ate it like a burrito.
Yeah.
Real ass nigga, bro. Happy birthday. Look, they'll say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Guys, give your best advice to a freshly 17-year-old. Someone can be small at age but mature in mind. You sound like a manipulator. You sound like a groomer. And I'm scared. I'm actually really traumatized. I'm actually very scared. Stay single and study, Debu. That's their advice.
Yeah.
Love it. Oh, she still has so much time. She does. But just be young and turned as well. As soon as you turn 18, boy, just be young and turned. Live your life. Go out with your friends. 17 best advice. Study smart for matric. That's good advice.
Yeah, so you matric. And let me tell you a story about the matric. That girl.
About me in matric. She's gonna tell you guys a story about me in matric.
Okay. In matric, Dumbo had the worst eye bags known to man. Every time I looked at her, it was like she was like shorter than me at this time. So then obviously like I could see her bags really bad. They were so deep and red. They were so deep. Mind you, this girl's also in SLC, so she's trying to sort out.
I was in SLC, guys. I'm such an overachiever. I am such an overachiever. They're giving me more advice. Hold on. They're saying, trust your gut, focus on school, and don't trust friends. Damn. Enjoy life, sis. Don't like to ama 1K gatlal. Oh, so like don't like ama 1K. Yeah, just leave grown men. That's fine, obviously. I love the way she talks, right? I also like how she talks. She's so mellow.
Me?
Yeah.
Really, thanks.
As a woman, do you remove women that are disrespectful, rude, lower your mood and confidence?
Yeah.
They said don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Find joy in the little things. Amen. Travel solo. You come first. Would you ever do a solo trip?
Hell yeah.
You would?
Yeah.
Yo, dude, I'm so like, I don't know if I could. But you're telling them about me in matric.
In matric, I think she passed out like 2 times.
I would faint from exhaustion.
She fainted and she cut her chin here.
Yeah, I even got stitches.
And then she fainted.
Can you guys see the scar?
Yeah. Like, dude,
Put into my tongue. It was so bad.
Where was I at the time? I was with mom.
You guys were at Boulders or something.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden, Rita calls us. Come to the hospital. We're like, huh?
Huh?
Why are we going to the hospital? We're like, no, Dimple just fainted. She has to get stitches. Now, obviously, Rita overreacts then. So it's like, mom's panicking now. Mom's driving like speed up lightning.
But everyone was panicking. It was actually really bad because when Rita was looking at me, bro, the cut kept opening.
Yo.
It started as like a small cut, like from the impact onto the ground, and then as Rita was looking at me, like I would literally see her eyes grow, and I'd feel, like, oh, it's a bit airy. I can feel air. I can feel air. You know.
Look at how pretty this video is. Oh my god.
Oh, stop.
Look how happy Rita is when she's.
Oh, that's so sweet. Send this to Rita. Wait, let's show them.
Oh my god. It's like, yeah.
This is so cute. Oh, fuck. Guys, look how my older sister is so happy behind her. That's so cute.
So cute, man. Oh yeah, I'm not. Oh wait.
Yeah, not done.
The vlogs, Missy. Bang, being a news reporter.
My mom has always said this to me.
Yeah.
But I did debate and like public speaking in high school. I think I just don't know like how to pour into my talents as an adult. But yeah, let's let Debbie finish her story.
Yeah, the second time, my dad, he came home and he forced me and Dimple to cook him like bacon in the air fryer. So
No, it wasn't even bacon. He wanted us to make him fried meat.
he wanted us to make us
But in the air fryer, like not to actually go dry.
you know, mind you, we're about to sleep. Like, we're already ready for bed.
I was in bed, half asleep.
So Dimple comes downstairs. I see no Dimple. She's like, she has sweatpants on her hoodie, but she's tired. And she's about to put like the meat in the air fryer. Bam! She's on the floor.
I fell on the ground.
Me, I'm like, what the hell? I ran all the way upstairs to go fetch my older sister. Because I don't know what to do. I just go fetch my older sister, right?
Yeah.
So I ran. I'm like, oh my god. My dad's like, Dimple.
Was he yelling?
Yes.
Oh my god, he panics, dude.
But do you imagine like your daughter just falls?
Yeah, true.
And she's trying to make you meat. And Dimple, you just fell. Like, it wasn't your
I'm sure it was guilt, because why are you waking me up to come cook you food, guys? Like, why are men like that?
Yeah, so then she fell. And then she woke up a second later. That's the thing.
How long do you think I was unconscious for?
Like 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Not a long time. Like, literally when I came back downstairs, you were waking up. But yeah, I ran upstairs so fast. And I knocked on Rita's door, like I burst into it. I said, Rita! Dimple's on the floor. What are they saying?
Are you guys having conversations on my live?
I think so. Yeah, it's a joy.
I hate them.
Alright, enjoy your breakfast, girl.
Thanks, Gerla.
When are you gonna leave? Are you gonna leave at like 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you think we should go to at like what, 4?
They have the late session at like 7.
Oh, you wanna do that night?
I don't know. I'm just saying since you guys are like back that time.
I'm gonna be back at like 4.
Okay, well I'm gonna probably book a spot then.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna go downstairs. Yeah, she shower.
But wait for me for the spot because I can pay for it.
Oh, mom for me money.
Oh, okay.
Why are the police here? Like, Jehovah's
Dude,
Witness
I was
police.
telling them, I think Becky Kele is downstairs.
Because why are there so many like police? They literally parked on the side of the road, on the walkway.
Guys.
Oh my god, the onions they gave me my omelets, it was just onion. Like they didn't caramelize it, cook it. It was just raw onion.
Oh my god. It was crunchy.
Yes, I even had to spit crap.
No way.
They really live up to their 3-star. I can't lie.
I think the place we're at is a 4 or a 5-star. But me and my sisters have been calling it a 3-star since yesterday because...
Remember when mom shouted at that lady saying you think this 3-star is something because she like was rude to us?
You need her IG. They're asking for your IG handle, guys.
ID handle?
IG.
IG? I thought she said IG. I thought they were
I did. Because my mouth was full.
IG. Oh my god, yes! I'm gonna show you right now.
Just hold on. She will show you the IG.
It is. No.
Here you go, girls. There's the Instagram.
There it is.
_L.
Yes. All small letters.
All lowercase. Amen.
Not G. It's an H.
It's an H. Was so too.
A lot of people like to put the G. I don't know why.
Guys, stop having conversations in my life. I'm gonna kick you guys out. I'm serious.
Can you ask questions?
I'm serious. Like, can you talk to me? Like, this is so insane. Or can you at least involve me? Like, this is crazy. Like, how am I being left out of my own life? I feel violated. There was a time where were we, in Bloemfontein? We were at the breakfast area, and then this random waiter, in the back.
Low-key, when you look at the view here, you think you're in Cape Town. Like down here.
Yeah.
Low-key, I can't even know what it is. But you just need the ocean.
Yeah, we need the ocean.
The ocean. Guys, it's almost December. One more month. Let's go.
December, Bemba, December, Bemba, December, Bemba. December, Bemba. Hi, Dimps. What's your favorite place to shop at for clothes? Love your fashion sense. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
What's the score for the game?
119 to
109.
Yeah. I don't know who.
My favorite place to shop. Okay, I shop every and anyway. Shein, Zara, Cotton On, Factory, boutiques, buy some stuff. Boutiques, anything I find that I like. Even if I'm at Gold, if there's a hat I like, I'll buy it. Like, I don't care where I am. If there's something cool, I'll buy it. The waiter in Bloom, thank you. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit itchy. So there's this random waiter. We're at the breakfast buffet, me and my sister. She comes to us and she like screams in front of like the whole breakfast buffet. She's like, "What's your room number?" Basically, kind of like trying to insinuate that we like aren't supposed to be here or we haven't paid or whatever. So I literally just looked her up and down and didn't say anything. And then she eventually walked away, right? So in passing, I wasn't in passing because my mom's a crash out. I go and I tell my mom, I'm like, "Oh, this lady came up to me and did this. Mom's like, "She did what?" I was like, "Yeah, she came in, she said out loud in front of everyone." She was like, "Dude, what's your room number?" Everyone was looking at me. And I told her, "Yeah, I added spice, yes." Shop, cool. I left to go shower, but my sister say she went up to that lady and was like, "Don't think this fucking 3-star is anything, bitch. We booked here because everything is full, bitch. Don't think this 3-star anything. Don't think you some..." She went crazy on her. I was just like, whenever anyone irritates me, I'm like, don't make me pull Mama Bear out. Don't make me do it, because it can come out in 2.2 seconds. Someone send her money for no reason, please. Yes! Yes! Send me money. Hey guys, send me money. Yo, my mom, guys, Mama Bay is a crash out. Are you guys' moms like that too? Yeah, I'm vlogging, guys. I'm vlogging. I'm literally vlogging. You're triggering me. You're triggering me. Thank you. It's just plain acrylic. They're kind of old. I got them done like 2 weeks ago. Am I Christian? I'm not only Christian. I was watching them race in the morning, so I didn't change it. But I like the white noise. Guys, I don't watch basketball. Like, I don't give a fuck. I saw Steph Curry. How do you guys feel about Aisha? When was the last time you went on a date? Probably, was it last week? I think it was the week before last week. I went to Olives and Plates with my man. Do you have a YouTube? No, guys, I don't have a YouTube. Like, I don't have a YouTube, guys. I'm inconsistent here. How will you guys feel if I'm being inconsistent on 2 places? So you guys have more things to bully me about when I'm just trying to, like, have a conversation with you guys. No. Like, maybe I'll get a YouTube, like... I'll get a YouTube before December. Before my December holidays with my family, I will make sure the YouTube channel is up and running, okay? Can you guys leave me alone now? Thank you. Hi, she's a gone girl. Last week, how was the date? Story time also. It was cool. It was really chill. We went to buy perfumes first at this Kyalami. At the Kyalami Grand in Tonton. Please do, girl. The support will be wild. Okay, I'll do it for you guys. But, like, can you guys, like, stop attacking me? Like, I really feel under a lot of pressure, guys. Like, I'm literally a student. I'm a film student. Like, at Wits, like, you guys know the pressure I'm under. Like, I have no supplementary exams. I literally have to get it right one time, and I'm about to finish. I'm about to go into my honors year, so, like, I don't want to repeat anything. So, like, unfortunately, school is my priority. Like, I'm so sorry. School really is my priority. So, the YouTube channel will come, but can you guys, like, respectfully get off my dick? Like, I'm so sorry, guys. I try my best. I vlog when I'm doing interesting things. Otherwise, if I'm not vlogging, it means I'm just sitting on my bed going to school and coming home doing assignments. Like, I don't think you guys want to see that. No, I'm in my third year. How are you so confident? I'm studying film and television. I'm studying film and television, yeah. How am I so confident? I don't know. I think sadly a large part of confidence, I feel like anyone can become confident, but, like, I feel like I've always been confident because of, like, my home setup. Like, did something just hit my window? That's not lady. Yeah, I feel like, yeah, just like my home setup, I feel like I never had to, like, prove myself. And then also, like, I feel like my ability to articulate myself kind of, like, comes across as confidence, even if I'm not entirely confident. So yeah, I think, like, debate and, like, public speaking and things like that made me What is that? I don't like that. I don't like clothes. Were you not at college? I don't want to answer personal questions like that. Maybe this light skin is not evil. Ooh. Okay. How did you and your friend meet each other? I met Bongi at school, but it kind of was like an invisible string theory kind of thing, because in our matric year, that December, a lot of kids didn't go to VAC. Like a lot of PTA matrics didn't go to VAC, so we ended up going to Cape Town, right? And then we're at like a party. I was at like a bar party, rooftop party type situation, and the girlies were in the section. I was just like, oh, they're really cute, they're pretty, but we didn't interact like that, like not at all. Then the following year, I'm at Wits, right? And then I see, it's an orientation thingy, I see this badass bitch. I'm like, who is that? Her face was beat. I was like, you beating your face for orientation? I like you, you my kind of bitch. Didn't really interact. My friend Aluta introduced me. He's like, oh, this is Bongi. I said, hi. How are you? Very much in passing, nothing serious. Then first day of classes, I see her in my class, and then we just kind of like started sitting next to each other, and then now people think we're twins. And then I met her roommate, which is Fez, and I fell in love with her. And then I met Fez's best friend, Kira Jinx. You guys know her as Jinx. And now we're just the four musketeers. That's how we met. As a woman, do you cut off women who are disrespectful, rude, lower your mood and confidence? I think you definitely should. You definitely should. But like, people are just people, you know. So if you can have a human conversation with them and like figure it out, and like them not want to be disrespectful and rude again, then yeah, maybe you can forgive them. I don't know, work it out. Just don't throw. I don't believe in throwing away female friendships like that. Like, I don't know, I saw a girl talking about how like she feels like in the black community, like our moms don't really like push. I don't know, in my experience as well, you guys will tell me if you had a similar experience, but they don't like push this like setup of like having sisterhood. Like they always just say like your family who's actually going to be true to you and all that stuff. And like, I don't know, like as I'm growing up, I just don't know if I believe that. Like my friends really mean a lot to me. They make me really, really happy. Women make me really happy. Like sisterhood makes me really happy. Like, so yeah, I don't think you should be quick to throw away friends. Be quick to throw away that man. Right. You know? Are you older in your relationship? Like my romantic relationship? No. My boyfriend is 2 years older than me. Do you have lipstick? No. Why? Are my lips dry? You guys are distracting me. Let me eat.
Both these fighters were in the tournament and they didn't make weight, and now they are showcase bout. You can see 6 years younger in the lap of the.
Do you guys ever watch them slap each other on YouTube? Oh, that thing fucking finishes me. Yo, let me actually put it on. Wow. Did you guys see that?
Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, he's a Muay Thai specialist who stands 5 feet 9 inches tall. He weighed in at 151 pounds with a fight record of 7 wins and 4 losses. He is a 2-time Muay Thai African champion and a 2-time Muay Thai world champion. Representing Burkina Faso, ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
Me and my boyfriend have been together for 2 years. Yeah, but they're there, Shim. Actually, they're there. You believe me or you don't.
Fighting out of the red corner, he's a striking specialist who stands 5 feet 11 inches tall. He weighed in at 156.2 pounds with a fight record of 7 wins and 1 loss. He's a former Muay Thai champion representing Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Starboy.
You want some dude? Tell us about the dude. Is there a dude? Or you want like a random dude? Jamila, thank you. Are you Uncle Waffles? Unfortunately not. You're hungry? This spoon is for you, Nadia. How did I meet my boyfriend? This dating app called Instagram. So at the end of my matric year, we started following each other, but like I don't think anything of it. I just followed back. I was like, oh, he's kind of cute, whatever. He seems cool. He can dress. Whatever, followed back. And then on New Year's, guys, New Year's Eve, I go to a party, I come back home. At the hotel, actually, I was in Cape Town. I get back to the hotel, it's like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. This nigga video calls me on Instagram. He video calls me on Instagram. I'm like, what? I answer. I answer. He's like, hey. He's like, yo, I want to see you when I get back in the country. And yeah, type shit. And I was like, sure. And then, yeah, when I was back, when he was back in the country, we linked up. And that was that. The dude that I'm looking at is the omelette. I thought you had tea for us, babes. Sorry, I was excited. Swagger number 3. The sausage deal. I haven't tried it yet. No, I'm not a UFC fan. I was watching these people race in the morning. Let's watch Pop the Balloon together. Top 3 things I find chic. Leaving a nigga after he like fucks up once. That's so chic to me. Like, and not even like fuck up. Like, he's late one time. He's 10 minutes late to a date. You cut him off. Like, women that can cut a nigga off quickly. Chic. Second thing I find chic is like gray hair. If you have a full head of gray hair and you're like cool and spunky and like a grown woman, like chic. I just think about the third one. How YouTube I saw Derek. See, the silence is making me go crazy. Oh my god. These sweatpants, guys, I literally stole these from my mom's closet. I stole these from my mom's closet. How nice are they? They have a matching like zip up and like it has a word. It's nah, the girlies shopping in the 2000s was something serious. Like, it was something serious. Where am I from? I never know how to answer this question. I was born in Bloemfontein. I was raised in Pretoria. And now I live in Joburg. Hello, Bezeka. Hello. were actually just asking us how we met. Oh, she's crashing out. Was I crashing out? I even forgot. I didn't clean my egg, guys. Ugh, you guys think I'm stupid. That's the problem. It's blue there. It would be red if it was off. Now it's off. Do you get? Yeah, I went to high school in Pretoria. What are you eating breakfast? I'm having sausage, bacon, and I finished my omelette with some fruit and cranberry juice. Boom! Nazo, get Kane. Come on. Do they have the same people? That is not Kane. This looks fake as fuck. Oh my god. Who was your guys' favorite in WWE? Batista used to be my mom's favorite, and Triple H. I think my favorite, sadly, was John Cena. Like, I have such a basic answer, but like, you know? Me too, bitch, me too. John Cena, like, it was John Cena. Like, who else, bro? Seth Rollins, yeah. Jeff Hardy. John Cena, everyone got John Cena. Thank you. Roman Reigns, okay. Randy Orton was that nigga, guys. Undertaker, babes, are you okay? Are you okay, my love? The Undertaker was your favorite WWE wrestler, my babe. We need to talk. I know you're interesting. I actually want to be your friend. Randy Orton is so real. Undertaker, guys. Undertaker is so wild. John Cena. Intense vibrato. John Cena. Swaggernometry. I won the fight. What are we watching? Do you guys want to watch Pop the Balloon with me? No? Got you, queen. You ain't gotta say no more. Yeah, I want to know what you're studying. I'm studying film and television. Bella Twins were my favorite duo. The Bella Twins was so cute. On the Bella Twins, the reality show, is when I saw that John Cena is not okay. That do hush up. Nix. Your sis, no. You can play music. You guys are such haters. Oh my gosh. I love Gabby. I love Gabby's YouTube. Like, do you know Reasonable Doubt? No, let's watch Pop the Balloon. To me, they hating. Like, they literally hating. No, I don't want you guys to see the view because you're gonna know where I am.
Really cute. Went for this little like heart.
Just for my safety. Hey, when you look underage, did you reach 16 in jail? Get off my live then. Why are you watching a minor? Swaggernometry. Yeah, I do eat slow, guys. Let's taste the sausage. Cut. No. What's your guys' favorite genre? Which provinces you visiting this year? All off. Come get a free wig. Who are you? I need them immediately. Oh my gosh, guys. This sausage tastes exactly like drivos. I think the sausage they used to make drivos. Bolton. Good hair HD. Are you serious? I'm gonna send y'all a DM. Like, I just followed y'all. I'm gonna text y'all what I'm saying. don't play with me like that. R&B, Maskandi. Maskandi's crazy. Yeah, December vlogs are gonna eat. I'll try have my YouTube channel by then. But then you guys have to understand, like, you're gonna have to pick. Do you want me to vlog for TikTok when I'm on a holiday, or do you want me to vlog for YouTube? I'm not gonna stress myself out with doing both because I still do want to experience life, you know? Happy birthday, Taboo! Happy birthday, Taboo! Don't be scammed, winner. YouTube, man, we're hungry. Vlog for TikTok, YouTube vlogs. You're gonna have to pick one. Sweating on a tree. Hey, hey. Oh. Phew, that was a lot of work. TikTok, YouTube, you're gonna end up being inconsistent because of how much work it is. Do you get me? Happy birthday, Eden Milambo. Happy birthday. It's also my sister's birthday.
Stronger with you. Continue by far. Emporio money.
These ads are gonna kill us one day. They're gonna jump out of the TV and swallow us all. One day. Just watch. You wait. Wanna go to Total Ninja later on. She's gonna have some spa treatments because I have a shoot for this documentary. On a proper plane. My favorite artist. It's a hard question. It's a really hard question. Thank you so much. I don't know who my favorite artist is. But last year my most listened to artist was Don Toliver. And then in second place was Lil Yachty. So they're up there. Nicki or Cardi? In terms of I can't just like in terms of what, like music, of course Nicki, character Cardi B. Nicki Minaj is losing her fucking mind, but she's extremely talented. But most people, I don't know, I feel like really talented like creatives. Come on, it's it's always a bit shaky in the heat, you know what I'm saying? Like look at the Quentin Tarantinos of the world, like they're always a bit loose in the screw. Lotto or Megan, Lotto. But yo, Megan is beautiful. I wish I could just pick off of looks. You have to be crazy to be great. Like, it's not the only way, but like the pinnacles of like, I don't know. I'm gonna be pushing no weird rhetorics here, but like, look at Kanye West, look at Nicki Minaj. Okay, well, Beyonce is really great and she's normal, but you know, we don't see enough of her to know. Rihanna too. Okay, Rihanna seems chill, so it's not an absolute truth, just, you know. You seem like a nice chill person to be around. Thank you. In exchange for me. Yeah, I am vlogging. Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, had sex and then blow dang. I shouldn't play no games with you, just level up my brain. My dream city to live in. Either New York or I don't know why I'm so drawn to Amsterdam. I don't know. Amsterdam is just somewhere I've always wanted to live. It just seems like such a small town that still acts like a big city. I don't know. And I love that. It's a lot of work to protect your peace and mental, especially when dealing with me. Agreed. Guys, my skincare routine, you'd be shocked. I use the Kiehl's Calendula face wash. I'm finally done eating. I'm gonna finish my fruit though. Don't. Sweat. Sorry guys, I'm wearing a bikini under here. I know it looks insane. It has this little butterfly. Oh my god guys, earlier on I was wearing my okay, let me just show you my skincare. I'm gonna end the live soon, just a warning. Okay, so let me show you. You're not sitting up there. Sorry for the glare. This glare is really irritating. Okay, I'm just gonna take my stuff and go outside. No, actually I'm not. So I use this Kiehl's Calendula face wash, foaming face wash. This is the only like pricey, that's a lie. I have these two products from Kiehl's. So I've washed with this at night and then I use their Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate on my skin. That's nighttime. And then in the morning, same face wash. Nature's Nourishment rose water, the one with glycerine. And then I do castor oil on my face. This is what keeps my face tight. I don't think castor oil is actually made for digestion. I think it's actually supposed to be like used on your body. And then I also use some on my stomach. I'll like do like a little lymphatic drainage type situation with the castor oil on my belly. And then like it helps you, you know, if you don't have the urge in the morning, it helps you have the urge to go to the toilet. And yeah, that is really the skincare. I don't have sunscreen right now, but I use this Clicks house brand. Oh, meatball, stop immediately. Oh my god. Oh no. Where do you get the products? Kiehl's, it's like its own store at Santon next to Edgar's, and then at Menlyn it's inside the Edgar's. I don't know if they have one in all of Africa, but it's usually either inside the Edgar's or like right next to. But the castor oil smell, I actually don't smell it. I don't put it here in my T-zone because if you can see, I like break out here, so I don't put anything thick like in my T-zone, like, so I don't really smell it. But I really can't, like, I don't know what it is, like, after rubbing it in my hands, like, I actually don't smell it that much. But beauty's pain, baby girl. Beauty is pain. FaceTime on. Okay, guys, I think I need to go. No, I massage the castor oil on my stomach, like on my skin. Actually, I haven't heard the song on this album. Oh, I like it. Shit is happening on no peace. Shit, I probably got 100,000 points to my key. Shit, y'all at the beach. That could not be me. That cannot be us. I just go ahead, crack that little patty till it does. Shit, I don't want no fuss. I don't want no fuss. Shit. You just bought it. It's 8:40. I don't want no fuss. Thank you, Jesus, for my mother for buying that shit. It's 840 rand. It's a little insane. I don't know what I'm gonna do when my mom stops buying it for me. 840. How much is the oil? Please check how much the Midnight Recovery oil is. They became attached me. And the child policy, they're like Tony Braxton. And the child policy, they're like Tony Braxton. Are you going to see Ghana? I saw Ghana in the beginning of the year. I don't think I will, but I don't know. I think someone might have bought me tickets. So, yeah, maybe. The Kiehl's oil is 1.7. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go out because I already did the story time of how I met my boyfriend. I think I'm gonna have to leave so they can clean my room though. Look how I flooded this fork with. It's triggering my trypophobia. I didn't like that one bit. Okay, there's a girl here that says she's supposed to get ready, but she can't move until I do. 5 minutes, I'm ending the live. It's called trypophobia when you're scared of like a bunch of holes next to each other. Can you see I'm itching? Ugh! I have to buy the oil too. Try castor oil first, but if you have like oily skin, don't, because the Kiehl's oil is like a thinner oil, so like I feel like it would be good for you. But like, girl, like there's always more affordable products that work just as good. You just have to like play the game respectfully, because who knows if the Kiehl's oil is gonna work for you. Like, I hope it does. I think the face wash will work for any skin type, but like That oil, I don't know. Where are you going? Don't leave us. I have to shower and get ready, guys. And you've gained so nicely. Like, gained weight? You said I gained weight? Thank you. We can see the view. No, it's a real phobia. Guys, you can be scared of anything. People are scared of cotton. Cotton. People are scared of cotton. Thank you so much. Guys, I didn't wear my retainers and I think I have to get braces again. I think I have to get braces for a second time. Because I feel like if I don't, once I get my hands on a bag, I'm going to get veneers and I don't want to do that to myself. So I feel like I should just get braces quick, fast, and in a hurry. So then that way, you know, I won't get veneers as soon as I, like, get rich. Do you guys agree? Guys, would you guys still love me if I have, would you guys still love me if I had braces? And the thing is, I talk with my teeth so bad. There's no way I can hide them. Because there's genuinely girlies that, like, can hide the fact that they have braces and, like, talk normally. Like, I actually can't do that. Like, I literally talk with my tears. I also want veneers. It's not worth it, babe. Well, I got braces for the second time, then got permanent retainers. So happy. Okay, so the gag is to get permanent retainers. I had the permanent retainers at the bottom here, but then when I fell and got stitches, it literally fell out. Like, I fell that hard that my retainer just fell out. Guys, that fall was so... We went to primary together. I remember when you had them. Crazy. Yeah, now I have to get them again because I didn't wear my retainers like an idiot. And yeah, if I get them, I'll only have them for a year. So I can literally not have braces by the time I graduate. So I feel like early next year, Jan, after my birthday, as soon as I turn 22, I'm gonna go get the braces and then just be done. Then, like, by January the next year, I can probably take them out. Yeah, I think I just have to make the sacrifice. Do you take ciprofloxacin? I have before. Please play Drake before you go. His birthday is today. Oh, he shares a birthday with my sister. I thought his birthday was tomorrow. What Drake song should we play? This beat is crazy though. Make me wanna bounce. That should make me wanna bounce. Yay. Come on. And I put it with an and I pull up with the rhymes and you didn't even know. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. And yeah. Amen. Okay, bye guys. Bye. How do you stay like a baddie? Your bicep. Oh my god, guys, being black is actually really fun. You guys keep complimenting my body and I don't. Wow, I just dropped my makeshift tripod. Oh god, I use you. You guys keep complimenting my body and I don't do anything. Being black is really fun. This is why they enslaved us, guys. Was that talk? I'm gonna leave before you guys say anything about that comment I made. Okay, bye. And then you say don't go. I girl. Talk your mom. Okay, bye guys.